I'll explain what a post-only order type is on Kraken. So I'm on Kraken Pro here. You can see post-only right here. So this is toggled on. So this is something that we use when we're trading limit orders. So obviously a market order is where you trade immediately at whatever the best price is. Now, when we're using a limit order, what we're doing is telling the trading system we're willing to trade only up to our limit price. Now, if my limit price is above the current price, then that's not a limit order at all, right? That's just a market order because it would trade immediately. So if I said here that my limit price is 80,000, well, the current market price is 77,743. So I would trade immediately. That's like a market order. Now with a limit order, the expectation is that you put your limit order below the market price and you wait for it to trade. So let's put it at 76,000 and we're going to join the order book down here. Now that would go through. So if I just toggle off post only, my limit order is 76,000. I can put my buy order in, confirm that. 76,000 comes in as an order, right? So it's below the current market price and it's waiting to trade. I'm just going to cancel that out. Post only prevents me making a mistake with my limit order. So let's say that my mistake here is that I'm going to put 78,000 in as my limit price. I'm going to trade immediately, right, as a market order. Post only prevents me doing that. It's going to say, hey, you made a mistake. You want to trade a limit order. You want your order to go into the order book, but your price is going to trade you immediately like a market order because your price is too high. Post only prevents that happening. So if I press buy BTC, I press confirm here, you'll see that my order doesn't go in. Just by my head, it says order cancelled. The reason being is that post only prevents me trading like a market order. It only lets me put in orders that will actually join the order book below the current price as a buyer so that my limit order goes in and it waits to trade. If I can trade immediately, I've made a mistake because I'm not trading a limit order then. I'm trading basically a market order. Post only prevents that happening. It says your price is wrong. You're not going to join the order book and we're going to cancel your order. So it prevents you making mistakes. It prevents you trading like a market order when what you actually want to do is join the order book.